Meaning of disciplinary.
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 Disciplinary. Disciplinary refers to the measures taken by an organization or authority to correct or punish someone who has broken rules or norms. These measures may include warnings, fines, suspensions, or termination of employment. The ultimate goal is to improve behavior and prevent future violations. Disciplinary actions are often carried out in a systematic and fair manner, with clear policies and procedures in place. The result of disciplinary action can vary depending on the severity of the offense and the policies of the organization. In some cases, the individual may be able to continue their employment or participation in the organization after corrective action has been taken. In more serious cases, however, the result may be termination of employment or expulsion from the organization.